What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Figs, and welcome to a brand new video. Hope everyone is having a great day. Stay blessed. Everyone achieve all y'all goals. But thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm coming with a new video, and I'm gonna be changing these emblems on my BMW. So got the regular emblems here, and over here I got the anniversary emblems right here, y'all. I got the trunk right here. So besides that, it's gonna look like that. So besides this, by the end of the video, it's gonna look like Chappelle. But basically what I'm gonna be doing, so I don't scratch the paint or anything, I'm gonna be taping the outside of it using some pry tools that I'll show you real quick to basically just go under the emblem and flick it up like that in an upwards motion. And the tape is very important because I do not want to scratch the paint. So I'm gonna set the camera up right there. Papa Figs might hold the camera, and let's get it started. Alright, so took the first one out, and I didn't even know it had all this tape around it, but it does. And this has 3 holes, but I only see 2 holes right here. The new one, however, only got 2 holes. And I'm assuming once I take this little tape thing off, it'll fit perfect right there. But before I put it on, I'm gonna just like slightly clean all this nasty stuff and pop this back on. Oh, the new one. Put the new one on. Alright, you guys, so out with the old and in with the new. Let's get it. Gotta make sure. And is this the wrong one? Hold on. This might be the... There's no way. Yeah, it's the same size, right?
Yeah.
Just looks really different. Man, that looks really different though. Dang, this just looks way bigger, but it's not. It's the exact same size.
It's the colors that throws it off.
Yeah, but that shit looks tough. Now, how do I get it to really stick? Do I just keep pushing on a little bit? Probably push around on all the little corners. But yeah, all that little dirt or whatever that was on under this, no one's gonna see that. A little bit of Chappelle. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. And that's the after. That looks tough. All right, let's go to the back now. Chappelle. Got the old one right there, new one right here. Same thing as before. Gonna clean it a little bit and then just put the new one on. Take the sticker off. And I'll put this on. Just like that. Oh my God, yo, that's crazy. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like. And oh my God, this is tough right here. It makes the car look way more cleaner. I'm not even gonna lie. Definitely worth it. Like even from the far, like once you come up close, it's like shapow, right there. There'll obviously be before and after pictures on the screen. Next step, forgive me for this being super dirty, but I need to get the wheel caps. If anyone knows where I could get the wheel caps to match this emblem, let me know. I bought them on eBay before, but sadly I got scammed. So yeah, I got that going. But yeah, if I could get the wheel caps, then it'll make everything look way better. All right, you guys, so that's gonna close out today's video, installing the anniversary emblems on my BMW 330i. Definitely worth it. Like I said, I do need to get the wheel caps, but someone got to help me with that. Hopefully I could get it real soon. Definitely impressed by this. This is tough right here. But yeah, thank you guys for clicking on this video. Hope everyone has a great day. Keep doing your thing. And like I said, out with the old and in with the new. So let me show you guys that I'm never putting these back in the car, and I'm about to show you. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. I'll see you on the next one. Out with the old though. Don't need those no more. Let's go home.